This is the Cudy AC1300 wireless USB adapter. It is mainly used when a computer does not have Wi-Fi. Let's see how to install this Wi-Fi adapter in Windows 7. First, plug the adapter into the PC's 3.0 USB port. After plugging in the adapter, go to your PC. Wi-Fi is not showing up on the PC. If Wi-Fi is not showing, download your Wi-Fi driver. First, connect your PC to the internet via USB from your phone. Now turn on USB tethering to share the internet from your phone to your PC. After turning on USB tethering, the PC will connect to the internet connection. Now update your Wi-Fi driver. You can also update your driver from the internet-connected PC. After connecting the PC to the internet, go to the internet browser. Type cudy.com/wu and search. Search for your driver model here. Select your driver version. Download the Windows version from here. Click on the file after downloading. Now extract the file. Now install the driver on your PC. The driver is now installing. The driver is now installed on Windows 7. Now disconnect your phone from the PC. After disconnecting the phone from the PC, you can now connect your PC to Wi-Fi. Now the PC is connected to Wi-Fi. This is how you can install the Cudy AC1300 USB adapter on Windows 7.